Hey guys, today we're going to be opening two Evolving Skies booster packs. This right here. Okay. There's the code card. I think it's 4 from the back. Yeah. So we got Lightning Energy, Spirit Mask, Gordy, Bravery, Flabébé, Rogan Rolla, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Reverse Hollow Dino, and Appletoon. Rare. Yeah. Okay. On for the next one. Card. 4 from the back. Leaf Energy, Hypno, Vigoroth, Lombre, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpakaboo, Reverse Hollow Fletchinder, and rare Pinsir non-hollow. Oh, I only got these two reverse hollows, but they're both ones rare ones, uncommon, and these two are rare. Thank you guys.